Hey, what's up guys? You have a Hisense smart TV and you have an issue with the remote here where it's not working, or maybe you have one button that's not working or several buttons, or maybe it's ghosting. By ghosting I mean like if you push it to the right, it'll keep going to the right even more. Anyway, I'm gonna give you guys several solutions to get you up and running right now. So the first thing is have your Hisense TV on and then go wherever it's plugged into, and then what I want you to do is go ahead and pull the plug while the TV is on. Pull the plug just like that, wait 30 seconds. Go ahead and plug it back in and then turn your TV on and see if your remote is working properly. If not, we're going to go to the next step. Next step is go ahead and grab your remote, and I want you to pop the back plate off, and I want you to go ahead and take out these batteries as well. Okay, after you have both batteries out, go ahead and grab your remote. What I want you to do is press and hold this power button down. Just press and hold it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds is up, go ahead and let go. And then still the batteries are out. Now I want you to go ahead and spam every single button on here. Just keep pressing all of them like this, every single button on here. And the reason is because if one button maybe got stuck or jammed from like lint or dust or soda, sweat, hand lotion, anything, it can cause all kinds of havoc on the remote, okay? So press kind of hard, spam every single button, give it a couple whacks. Then go ahead and put your batteries back in. Don't put the back lid on yet. Just put the batteries back in, and then go to your TV and see if your remote is working correctly. If not, again, same thing. Pull the batteries out, press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds up, let go. And again, spam every single button, even the power button here again, all the way down, every single button on here. Then give it a couple whacks. Put the battery back in, and don't put the lid on yet, and then see if your TV is working. If it's still not working, keep trying this like several more times, okay? If you tried this like 5 or 6 more times and it's still not working, the next thing I want you to do too is go ahead and get a new pair of batteries, or it doesn't have to be a new pair of batteries, just get a different set of batteries. And before you put it in, do the same thing. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds and then spam everything, and then put the other batteries you have back in here and see if that works, okay? Anyway, this will work for like 50% of you guys, so if it worked for you, give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down. We should have a 50-50 ratio, all right? Good luck, guys.